Hey traders, our simple guide uses free TradingView tools to help you spot trends and make more money in any market. Alright traders, head over to the TradingView.com and open any chart your heart desires, any market, any time frame, you name it. We're talking a trading party for everyone, even our Indian friends. Let's crank up our trading game with our first secret weapon. Head over to the TradingView's indicator section and snag the L3 arrow zone developed by Black Cat. This bad boy helps us identify trends and spot sweet spot to jump into trades. Alright traders, it's time to supercharge your trading with these easy yet game-changing tweaks. Listen up traders, we're about to uncover the buy and sell signals hidden within our supercharged L3 arrow zone indicator. These signals will help you identify potential market entry points and make more profitable trades. When it comes to the buy signal, keep your eye peeled for the first green histogram that pops up above the zero level. Imagine it as a green light telling you it's time to hit the gas and jump into a long trade. On the flip side, watch for the sell signal when you spot the first red histogram lurking below the zero level. Think of it as a red line alerting you to hit the brakes and enter a short trade. But these simple yet powerful tips in your back pocket, you'll be navigating the market like a pro in no time. But before you jump into trades, hold on your horses, cause there's a catch. Sometimes the L3 arrow zone indicator might throw you a curveball with a counter trend signals, but don't sweat it. We've got your back with a second incredible tool to help filter out those pesky false signals. But before that, let me tell you, here's at TradeGenius, we're all about creating profitable strategies using free indicators that anyone can access. We've got your best interests at heart. So if you're enjoying your tips, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay in the loop with more game-changing strategies. Now let's get back to our mission and introduce the second powerful tool that'll take your trading game to new heights. The second indicator is called the Max1 EMA Cross Plus Trend Channel Indicator. This dynamic tool combines two powerful strategies to help you make smarter decisions when entering and exiting trades. To add this secret weapon to your chart, head back to the TradingView's indicator section and search for Max1 EMA Cross Plus Trend Channel. Now to unlock full potential of this bad boy, you'll need to tweak some settings. Don't worry, it's super easy. Follow along as we guide you through the indicator settings to optimize your trading game. Trust me. Alright traders, let me clarify. The mixed one indicator isn't a crystal ball giving you direct buy or sell signals. Instead, think of it as your trust market trend compass showing you the overall direction of the market. With the EMA ribbon and SMA 200 components working together, this handy indicator helps you gauge whether the market is in an uptrend or downtrend. When the EMA ribbon rises above 200 SMA line and the price candles are also above both, it's a sign that the market could be heading into an uptrend. This means that the overall market environment might be favorable for buying opportunities. But remember that the indicator isn't directly signaling when to buy. And on the other hand, when the EMA ribbon dives below the 200 SMA line and the price candles are below both, it is an indication that the market might be entering a downtrend. This suggests that the market condition could be leaning towards selling opportunities, but again, the indicator isn't specifically signaling when to sell. Now let's talk about how to use the indicator to make profitable trades while managing risk. Follow these steps for buy trades. First, be patient and wait for a buy signal to pop up. Once you see it, double check that the market is indeed in an uptrend. So when both indicators gives you the green light, go ahead and open a buy order. But always remember the golden rule of trading, managing your risks. Set a stop loss just below the market's recent swing low to minimize potential losses. And to maximize your profits, set your trade target at 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry price and the stop loss level. This way, you're striking a balance between risk and reward. And for sell trades, the process is similar but in reverse. Keep your eyes peeled for a sell signal from the indicators. And after that, make sure the market is in a downtrend before making any moves. So once both signals are in alignment, it's time to pull the trigger on the sell order. Of course, risk management is key for sell trades too. Set your stop loss just above the market's recent swing high to protect yourself against potential losses. And to optimize your profits from sell trades, use the same rule of thumb as buy trades. Aim for a take profit target that's 1.5 times greater than the distance between the entry price and the stop loss level. But before you go, we have one last gem to share with you. If you're looking to trade with the lowest balance possible while still racking the big bucks, we've got just a video for you. Check out our recommended video on the screen. Thank you for joining us on this trading adventure, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy trading, and may the profits be ever in your favor.